Okay, here we are in Salinas, and we're taking off a little bit southeast because we're making a left turn and heading for San Jose. IFR flight plan, climb to 5,000 and squawk 2237. Here we go. Brakes off. And we've got the Cessna Citation Longitude. And this is the biggest one I've flown. Trying to master approaches and landings. Rear coming up. Flaps coming up. When I click the flaps, unless I've accelerated enough, it'll settle slightly. Autopilot. Okay. I have plenty of rate of climb, 2,600 feet a minute. So we should be clear of the hills.
Going to 127.45 Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie.
I come back on the power slightly during this kind of climb because it'll go right through the red line. It really accelerates nicely. Okay, let's go to ATC, Oakland Center.
Oakland Center, Cessna 527 Bravo Charlie is at 3,200 feet, climbing 5,000 feet. Delta 1128, you are tree 4 miles southeast. Descend and maintain 4,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 30 left approach via board transition. Clear to board. Cessna 527 Bravo Charlie, Oakland Center. Continue to UNE as planned. Altimeter 29.902. Descend and maintain 4,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 30 left approach via board transition. Clear to board.
So we're going over to the Hollister area, back at the Monterey Peninsula. We're already coming up on 5,000 feet. So there goes the Salinas Valley. Here comes the now I get to notice a few things. Notice the change in color coming here, and that's the satellite camera maybe taking this shot on a cloudy day or a certain time of year. I don't know how they do that. Anyway, this is Hollister here, and we're going to be heading up where the wingtip is pointing up past Gilroy, Morgan Hill, and on into San Jose. And when we turn left, we'll see the Hollister Airport, which is right down here. See, we've leveled off. Speed just keeps climbing right up. At least I don't have the guy yelling at me. Overspeed, overspeed. Drives you crazy. And if Chuck is watching, we've got a load of flowers going to San Jose, connecting for your client in Korea, Seoul, Korea. Big wedding over there. And if Guy is watching, we're just having fun. Oh, and this is a test for the, this is 30 left, RNAV, which is
Southwest 1784, you are 81 miles southeast. Descend and maintain 4,100 feet. Expect ILS runway 30 approach via FRNNY transition. Clear to FRNNY.
which is the GPS approach into San Jose.
Interesting. I did a lot of flying out of San Jose, and I rarely. 4,100 feet. Expect ILS runway 30 approach via FRNNY transition. Cleared to FRNNY Southwest 1784. Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie. Contact Norcal approach on 126.475.
I rarely flew instruments in or out of San Jose. Here we come up on Gilroy.
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie, please acknowledge.
Uh-oh. Okay, sorry. Not used to my new call sign.
Going to 126.475 Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie. Norcal approach Cessna 527 Bravo Charlie, 5,000 feet. Cessna 527 Bravo Charlie, NorCal approach continue as planned. Altimeter 29.92.
This is pretty either way you look. These reservoirs that go along the foothills here, and the other side going along over here to Watsonville, and Santa Cruz is over there. And Highway 101.
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie, you are 26 miles southeast. Maintain present heading and altitude. Expect RNAV Zulu runway 30 left approach via Clyde transition. Clear to Clyde.
Sounds good. Oh.
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie, descend and maintain 4,000 feet.
Okay.
Descend and maintain 4,000 feet. Expect RNAV Zulu runway 30 left approach via Clyde transition. Cleared to Clyde. Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie.
That's all good. Watch my speed now. Nice thing about this is the first one that has the spoilers, so you can slow down if you get going a little too fast. You can see the strobe up here, San Jose. Right on track. I'm going to set up for landing. We got to pull back a little bit.
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie, descend and maintain 2,600 feet.
Okay. Oops. I gotta tell them okay.
Descend and maintain 2,600 feet, Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie.
I'm going to go ahead down to 2,000 because I'll be going down there anyway. Just go down to 1,000 feet a minute. And maybe they won't yell at me. And they never give me 1,800 feet, but I need to be down to, 2,000 too. And we can hit the approach right now, and turn on the approach, so it intersects the glide slope. Couples the glide slope.
Bravo Charlie, you are 11 miles southeast of San Jose.
Here we go.
Contact San Jose Tower on 124.0 when inbound on the approach.
We are. Good deal. Now we can
Tower
continue
on
down.
124.0 Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie. San Jose Tower Cessna 527 Bravo Charlie 9 miles southeast inbound RNAV Zulu runway 30 left approach. Cessna 527 Bravo Charlie San Jose Tower. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 30 left approach. Altimeter 29.9 to wind 256 at tree. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 30 left approach Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie. Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie cleared to land runway 30 left. Follow the generic on final. Wind 256 at tree.
So I don't know what happened here. Oh, we may have intersected the glide slope. Yeah, we're on the glide slope, by golly. All right.
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie, did you copy?
Yep.
Cleared to land runway 30 left Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie.
Yeah, we're coupled up. We gotta get some flap down to slow down. I don't know why it's going so fast today. I don't have much power
Delta
in
1128 exit runway when able.
there. On the glide slope. This tends to land you a little short, so I'm gonna have to put a little back pressure in to make it. Now here comes the speed down.
500.
We have a little help to get it over to the end of the runway. Then if I was flying it, I'd be in here, but I'm not flying it. I'm just going to have to help it just a little bit here so it doesn't hit these trees.
Autopilot.
There we go. Ooh, I like that one.
Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie exit runway when able. Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie contact ground on 121.7. 121.7 for Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie. San Jose ground, Cessna 527 Bravo Charlie taxi to parking. Cessna 527 Bravo Charlie taxi to general aviation parking via taxiway Golf Victor. Taxiing to general aviation parking using taxiway Golf Victor Cessna 7 Bravo Charlie.
Did you see how it wanted to land short? So I was pulling back quite a bit. It ballooned just a little bit, but I'm getting it figured out here. Okay, guys, here we come. Duck your head. There we go. All right, there it is, old San Jose. I used to hang out over on this side at Piper.
San Jose ground, wingspan
There's
24,
nothing
requesting
there.
pushback.
Nothing there now. All
Wingspan
commercial.
24, pushback request
Commercial
accepted.
airport. Look at the tower. The tower used to be on this side.